So basically what I'm going to do is show you how to use onion skinning to create some hand-drawn animations, which you can then import into After Effects and create an animation that way. So first I'm going to start off, I'm going to draw a bouncing ball. So there's my ball. Alright, I'm going to come over here and let's say over here, I'm going to add another keyframe. I'm going to draw an arc to show where this animation is going to go, where this ball is going to go. So I'm going to say it's going to go like this. Okay, I'm going to lock that layer, and then I'm going to check that, and that's going to turn this layer into an outline. So that makes it easier for me to draw over it. So let's see over here, I've got my ending frame. And put another one here. And I'm going to kind of squash this one down a little bit. I think I can do better than that though. So I'm going to turn onion skinning on at this point. And that's these two squares down here at the bottom. These two purple squares all the way on the left. And if I move this right here to the edge of where I want to see where the onion skinning is, so I can see one frame behind and one frame ahead right now, one keyframe anyway. So I come in here, insert a blank keyframe. I can see that here's the frame behind, here's the frame in front of it. I can draw in between. I can add another blank keyframe here. And just kind of continue this, and that's how you can get a good smooth animation. So you can kind of see that I've done that here. And so right now I have the onion skinning one frame behind and one frame ahead, and that's usually where you want it. Otherwise it gets kind of complicated. So you can see now I've got all of these frames, which could be useful to you, but generally you want to keep it, one ahead and one behind. So there you go. Now what you want to do is File, Export Movie, and then save as type PNG sequence. And that will save all of your frames in a sequence, which you will then import into After Effects. So open up After Effects. Import file. So if you see the options, make sure you have PNG sequence checked, and it will import all of your frames. So there I have everything imported. I can drag that down here onto the composition, and from here I'll do a RAM preview, and so you can see I've got the bouncing ball animation, and you can now do things like timer mapping and all that kind of stuff, or you can just render it from there. And that's pretty much it.